Hey y'all, well as usual, I'm getting ready very, very quickly. And therefore, you're getting ready with me. Alright, so this morning I feel like I have like a Patty Duke hairdo. I feel like it's like Buffoni, but not particularly trendy or even attractive. But it'll do. Okay, it'll do, pig. Alright. And not with that little what was it? It'll do, pig. Was that on Charlotte's Web? I don't know. Okay, so I'm just going to put on some contour. First of all, I've already done my foundation and skincare. And again, I am just contouring, staying back here and very above that. Okay, and then I'll come in. We're going to do the edges of the temple. That's what's left over across the hairline. What's interesting is how much is left over. Look at that. I did that whole thing with one thing. Wow, I'm so full of incredible insights today. So what are you using? That thing? And what type of brand is that? I don't know. It's a really good one. Hope y'all can figure it out. I feel like right away I need to put my mouth on. I just look mouthless without lipstick. Some people have lips. I have no lips. As you get older, your lips thin. That's why one of the big things when you're young is to have big, thick lips. I don't even know if I like that. Or like, let's all make ourselves an extra big butt. You know, when I was growing up, what was the last thing you wanted was a big butt? You went on a diet to try to get rid of a big butt or a big anything. Of course, we were like skin and bone people. Alright. I grew up in it, where our top icon image was Twiggy. And it wasn't for Twiggy for no reason. She could have been blown over. She was so little. She was the size of a twig. But that was big. Twig was big when I was growing up. There we go. Certainly on television it makes you look smaller, so of course they're going to be small. I mean, it makes you look better if you're small. Even if you're a man. Like, I wonder how many people know how small of a man Johnny Depp actually is. He looks bigger than life on screen. Okay, I'm not having a good time here. This is one of those moments. I think I told y'all about this. Sometimes when you're putting your makeup on, and whether it's your lips, especially with the permanent product, or your brows, at some point you just say, you know what? It's good enough. I need to move on from this. I mean, try to make it the best you can. You don't have a sideways look. But that's the best I can today. That's okay. How you doing? I'm going to use just a basic palette. Any palette that you have will work. And we will use 3 things. Highlight, which goes under the brow. I like a matte whiter. Not stark white like scare you to death white. But pretty white. Not really creamy. And I'm sure we don't have to say it's a certain brand or a certain one. Just I look through what I've got and say, okay, well, where's a good white? And going across the lid with that, and I'll just go ahead and quickly dust over every place with it. Inner corner, because it wakes it up a little bit, makes your face look brighter. And then I'm just going to lightly kind of go over everywhere with that. One more time. One more time. There we go. have to say I look very sleepy today. And I didn't get all my mascara off last night. Is that gross? Do y'all ever do that? Like you wake up in the morning, you took your makeup off and you look in the mirror, it's like, there's the mascara. What are you doing there, mascara? Then a transition color. I like it to be anywhere between taupe, caramel, tan, beige, any of those. This is the caramely kind of peach color. And it's purposely a little more peachy than my natural skin color. And what this does is just create a transition between what you're going to put in the crease and what was just under the brow. So it's not two stark lines. So it should be, the smoky effect of it is that it should be in the same color range, but it doesn't have to be, meaning whatever's going in the crease doesn't have to be the same color range as what's going in the transition area. It doesn't have to be, but it just has to help that transition. Now I'm going to put a taupey color, which this is not in this same color family. This is more of a gray. That was more of a peach warm tone. This is more of a cool tone. I am getting more poochy right here as the days go by, and so I'm starting to put a little more there. Like normally I say round this out without lifting the tip right there and see how it drops more color there. I'm starting to do that here, just not rounding it out, but just kind of letting more of the color come off the brush right there and there, both. If you're wondering why I'm doing that, I don't want that powder when I am taking shadow off the pan to dry.